In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a custom tint. First, we want to get the RGB of a color that we would like to replicate. I'm going to be using Norwegian Blue by Bear. And go ahead and write down the RGB value. Next, go ahead and select the desired object that you would like to set the custom tint to. In the Properties panel on the right, click the drop-down arrow and select Edit Color and Brightness. And click the Tint button. I'm going to select a custom swatch, type in the RGB values, and then click Add to Custom Colors. This way, I can always select my custom color again. Go ahead and click OK. As you can see, the Norwegian blue is now applied to the house. If we want to apply a custom color to another object, such as this fence, we can apply the tint. However, if we see that the fence is actually not reflecting the true color that I selected, to resolve this, I'm going to set the fence material to a white. Then, go ahead and select Edit Color and Brightness. Select the tint, and then choose your color. As you can see, the fence now reflects the color that I selected. Thanks for watching, and for more information about our software, please visit ideaspectrum.com.